procedure. Ensure the vehicle is on the center stand and on ground level, and the wheels are at least 3 to 4 inches above the ground level. Hold the spindle while loosening the rear axle nut. Now loosen the rear axle nut by using a 24mm spanner. Loosen the lock nut on the chain adjuster on both sides by the 10mm double end spanner and tighten the inside nuts evenly to reduce the slack on the chain. Push the wheel inside. Ensure the reference line on the chain adjuster are matching with the same reference to the swing arms on both left and right hand sides. Ensure the chain slackness is maintained as per the recommended value. Lock the lock nuts against the adjuster nuts and the chain adjuster on left and right hand side by the 10mm open end spanner. Tighten the wheel axle nut.